Welcome. What's up, everybody? Daryl Lane here, head mentor at the Vagrant Trader Collective, and just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about how Forex trading can ruin your life. Yes, it is possible. Here, we do it raw and uncut. Just going to tell you exactly how it is. Forex trading involves the buying and selling of global currencies, can both be enticing, lucrative, especially with the tales that we see here all over the internet of people making significant profits overnight. However, with all forms of investment, there are risks and downsides that can be devastating to you. Okay. So I want to share with you kind of some of the darker sides of trading and how it could potentially be dangerous. Financial ruin, right? In trading, there's this concept of leverage, and one of the primary attractions to Forex trading is the fact that leverage is used, which allows for traders to control a much larger position with a relative very small amount of money. And this can amplify profits, but it can also amplify losses in a huge way, leading to losing more than your initial investment. Also, poor risk management. Without proper risk management strategies, traders can quickly deplete their trading capital in a matter of minutes. I mean, it's happened to me before where I deposited $2,000 in my account in one day, and in that same day, that $2,000 was gone, especially in the earlier stages of my career. So you really want to be mindful about your risks and what you plan on doing with the money you decide to put into a trading account. Make sure you understand that that is money you are willing to lose straight up. There's mental and emotional strain. Trading can be stressful, and there are some times where you constantly need to monitor the markets, and there is pressure to put on profitable trades, and especially when you're maybe in your earlier stage and you're really counting on Forex as a way for you to make money. That type of mental and emotional pressure can cause you to make mistakes, and it can cause you to even have almost a fear of losing money. And sometimes that fear of losing money can be so large that you can have a lot of stress in your life. So definitely learn how to manage your emotions, learn how to manage your mind in this game. There is a level of addiction that I think people can have as well, because similar to gambling, that chase, that hope, that longing to make the money can become addictive, but also the desire to recoup money that you've lost can sometimes become a trap for you as well. I've had experiences where, I lost a couple $100, and without walking away and clearing my mind and getting back on the computer, you just try chasing after that money, and you'll put in a trade and put in another trade. It'll be a loss and another loss and another loss and another loss. And the next thing you know, all the money that you put into the account is gone. That's kind of the story of that $2,000 that I was explaining a little earlier. And depression, sustained losses can put you on an emotional roller coaster that can lead to feelings of hopelessness and feelings like nothing is going to get better for you. So you definitely want to be in a position where you've trained yourself to expect that things are going to happen in the market. You don't have control over the market. You only have control over how much you protect yourself and how much you protect your account, honestly. When you think about the personal relationships, and social isolation can also be a factor. A lot of times people want to become so obsessed with this game of trading, this Forex market, that you start to neglect people around you, and it starts to put you in a position where you start to even sever and strain important relationships because you don't feel like people are supporting you. It's really important to understand that not everybody is going to support you in your journey, and it's okay. You don't have to talk to them about trading. You don't have to have the trading discussions with these friends and these family members. Talk to them about the things that are joyful. Talk to them about the cool things that you have going on. But leave the trading thing to your trading community, to your trading friends, to your people that you may also know who are in the trading niche, because it can put a burden on some of those relationships. Financial strain. Using money that you don't have with the hope that you're going to make more money can put a massive strain on your household, with your family, and your situation financially. So you want to make sure that the funds that you use to put into your trading account is the extra money that you've set aside, and you're okay losing that money, because if you're using money that's meant for other purposes, it will cause a massive financial strain in your life and with your family. Some people can even get into really, really poor debt issues. There are people who have decided to borrow money to fund their trading accounts, which, if you lose all the money, now you owe money and you still haven't produced any profits from your trading. So, in desperation, do not look to borrow money from people within your trading account, honestly, because it could lead to even more trouble. The other thing that can be damaging is some of the false promises and scams that exist within the Forex market. Unfortunately, it attracts a lot of different scammers, okay? And you've got a lot of different potential scams that can happen with brokers, as well as scams that can happen even in the world of trading, training traders, okay? So there's a lot of courses out here that promise secrets of Forex trading and overnight ideas where you can make money right away. And honestly, I will tell you this from experience, it does not happen right away. There are a handful of people out here who can grasp concepts very quickly and they're able to put them in practice. But a lot of times it takes time to understand the concepts, to get used to how the market moves, to understand the pair that you chose, to be able to find opportunity within the market, to understand time frames and be able to correlate the different time frames. All of those things take time, so it's not going to happen overnight. Okay, so I tell you this to just shed light on understanding that there are realities that are negatives to trading, and you just have to arm yourself so that you're ready to go through some of these different experiences, losses, frustration, struggles. They're there. They're always going to be there. The more you make in trading, you just level up to a new um, a new area of potential for loss. Right. The more money that you earn in your trading account, the more you're going to risk later. So that's a part of it as well. So as you think about entering into the trading niche, it's just important to understand that trading is not a guaranteed path to riches. Um, there's a significant number of traders who end up losing money, and it's crucial to approach trading with caution and armed with proper education and sound risk management strategies, and having a realistic expectation of what you can actually accomplish. There is money to be made, but it's not going to be overnight. So take your time and evaluate exactly where you're going to learn from, who you're going to learn from. But I always say, you're one trade away from figuring out what's going to be the career path for you when it comes to trading. So if you're someone who wants to learn how to trade the Forex market, you want to learn how to understand the ins and outs from A to Z and go from someone who has uh, maybe zero experience whatsoever, or someone who's just not gaining traction to the results they know they could achieve, join us. Head out to the vagranttradercollective.com, or hit us up on Instagram at Vagrant Trader Insights or Vagrant Trading Academy, and we'll be happy to help you start off on that journey. Thank you so much for listening. Please like and subscribe. Take care.